As a result of Tesla stock's ascent to the top of many prestigious stock market indices, retail and institutional investors now have it as one of their top targets. What should one look out for before trading? Today's video will discuss Tesla stock key levels to watch. Secret finally out, Tesla stock moving live. Undoubtedly, trading Tesla Incorporated, NASDAQ, TSLA, is always exciting. With a beta of 2.11, Tesla stock is still quite erratic and is twice as responsive to changes in the market. Tesla is at the top of the growing electric vehicle (EV) market. Still, it is now up against established automakers like Ford Motor Company, General Motors Company, Honda Motor Company, Toyota Motor Corporation, and NIO Incorporated, as well as foreign rivals like XPeng Incorporated and Rivian Automotive Incorporated and Polestar. However, Tesla stock has been a prime target for retail and institutional investors due to its ascent to the top of several prestigious stock market indices. It is one of the actively traded and shorted equities on American markets, with significant volume in options. Around the time of its quarterly earnings announcements, the most recent of which was released on July 20 for the second quarter of 2022, Tesla's trading volume and volatility often increase. The third quarter earnings report for Tesla is anticipated to be released between October 19 and 24. Although Tesla is one of the traded equities, comparing its year-over-year quarterly growth or shrinkage is one of its trading strategies we will discuss shortly to help you make good trades. Bottom line, given the stock's volatility and the media attention it receives, clients and grumps have access to vast trading possibilities. This channel is not a source of financial advice from a licensed expert or financial planning or investing tool. Do your homework before any investments. There are some key figures to keep an eye on and compare to average analyst projections as the earnings announcement date draws near. These are comparing year-over-year quarterly growth shrinkage to determine the ongoing effects of inflation and supply chain restrictions on gross margins for its automotive segment, its primary source of revenue. If Tesla's upcoming Gigafactory in Austin, Texas, will produce more cars than the management predicted 1,000 per week, the infrastructure's rate of expansion, including any prospective rises in the number of retailers, service facilities, and supercharger locations, the sale of its remaining 25% stake in Bitcoin, which it had previously sold for 75% at the end of the second quarter. Not only does monitoring the infrastructure growth help in trading, but buying the dips also plays a significant role. We'll discuss this shortly. However, traders should monitor the producer price index by sector, with the production of semiconductors and other electronic components serving as a potential leading signal for Tesla's future. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button if you've not done so yet. Nothing in this video should be interpreted as professional advice on finances. Always conduct your research before investing. Using direction ETFs to trade Tesla. Instead of using margin or options, traders looking for increased exposure to Tesla can use direction's daily TSLA bull 1.5 times shares TSLL and daily TSLA bear 1 times shares TSLS. TSLL wants daily investment results of 150% of the performance of TSLA for a single day before fees and expenses, and TSLS seeks daily investment results of 100% of the inverse of TSLA for a single day before fees and costs. Funds do not invest in TSLA directly. Investors who believe TSLA will increase can buy TSLL to go long, and traders who believe TSLA will fall can purchase TSLS to sell short. Use TSLL or TSLS to trade in anticipation of TSLA's following earnings report or other economic announcements if you want to speculate on a price increase or protect yourself against a decline. TSLL and TSLS, like all leveraged ETFs, can be practical tools for achieving short-term exposure, but only if traders thoroughly research TSLA's short-term outlook, have a compelling investment case, and have a high risk tolerance. On this note, Michael Covell says, never ever argue with your trading system. Buying the dip. After Tesla's stock price declined, some traders tried to purchase it right away. Although this would seem simple, Research has shown that trying to time the market is frequently a fruitless endeavor. Undoubtedly, it is much harder than it looks. The long-haul game. The slow and steady method is preferred by investors utilizing this technique who believe Tesla's value will increase in the coming years or even decades. Due to this, long-term investors are unlikely to be unduly disturbed by any short-term fluctuations in the value of the auto industry. For instance, if you purchase Tesla stock now, you're likely to gain profits in the long run a year or two to come. The only purpose of our content is education. Never confuse our information or materials for legal, tax, or investment advice. Always conduct your research before making any investments. TSLA shares have generally been moving sideways since the split. Still, the ambitious goals outlined at the Nevada factory meeting, the expansion of their supercharging network, and new legislation that provides tax benefits for electric vehicles, EVs, could all be pointing to a future leg up for the stock. On Wall Street, TipRanks analysts evaluate the stock with an average Tesla stock price prediction of $309, 1.50% higher than the current trading price of $304.42. With entrance points for new investors, the company is set up for success in the long run. Let's see what Tesla's price will be by the end of 2022 by watching our video. New Tesla stock analysis. Tesla to reach insane price at the end of fall 2022. Thanks for watching.